Now in session 13, conditional splits we will see. That means some files, some category of files, some criteria matching files you want to copy into one folder. The files which are not satisfying that criteria, I want to direct them into other different folder. Okay. So here by using, there are many ways, but by a simple way, by using multi filters, I will show this. So conditional split means based on given criteria, distribution of files into different target containers. Suppose my task is like this. File started with A. Should be sent to container X. And the files started with the letter B. Should be sent to container Y. Okay, with one single pipeline, I want to do that. So let's go with this conditional split task now. First, I am going to prepare two target containers. What was our previous data lake? Already we have created a data set for that. Storage lake 103. I think it's storage lake 103. In our previous example, we have done, or 104. Let me check these containers. 104 we have done previous. But this time I am going for new containers. Number one is container X. Similarly, one more container I'm going to create, container Y. Now I have two containers, container X and container Y. All files starting with A, I want to keep it to first. All files which are starting with B, I will keep it to Y. So these two things I do now. Okay, going for a fresh pipeline. But one prerequisite is there to go for the pipeline. For the new containers, we don't have data sets. Understood? So first we need to create data sets. I am creating a data set for container X. Let's say DS storage like 104 under this container X. You want to dump the multiple files, that's why no need to give any folder or files into this one. Just keep it as target because both are targets only. And same thing data set for container y. DS underscore storage like 104 underscore container y. Let's create these two. Go to the datasets category. I'm going to create a new one, new dataset. The datasets are in data lakes. Data lake Gen 2. Selecting this delimited category. DS underscore storage lake 104 underscore container X. Linked service LS104 we have done already for that. Okay, already we have created. Now I'm going to select my container. So container X I am selecting. Our data set is ready. One more data set I am going to create. This is also for data lake, which is Gen 2. Here the name DS underscore storage lake 104 underscore container Y. The linked service name. Sir, both containers are available in same storage account. That's why same linked service you can use. LS storage lake 104. Here I am going to select container Y. Okay, all data sets are ready. Just publish them. Sir, without publishing, if we quit this portal, okay, those data sets will be deleted, sir. Okay, sir, data sets, that means the prerequisites ready for your pipeline. Now we are going to create a new pipeline. Let's say the pipeline name conditional split. As usual, first one, get metadata. But here the two filters I will apply, I will attach for this. But these two filters are parallels. Generally, we are giving one activity output is input to another activity, right? So now we are going to apply two filters. Sorry, here. The first filter. One more filter we want. These are the two filters. But these two should be connected with get metadata one. Understand this? That means filter one and filter two both are parallel. Filter 1, filter 2, both are parallel. The filter 1, filter 2, both are ready. Now, for the filter 1, you need to add one for each. I am taking a for each over here. And one more for each for second filter. These two I am attaching. These two I am connecting. Here one copy activity, here one copy activity. Understood? So I'm going to configure first get metadata. Under data sets, same our source data set which has multiple files we are going to select. What is that file name? What is that data set name? Storage like 101 source. Under field list, select child items. Remaining okay. Get metadata ready. Now I am coming to filter 1. Here the files starting with yes, sir. The related condition is just apply. Just select this filter 1. Come to the settings now. Under items, what is that item? Output of get metadata. For this dot, child items, I capital. Okay, child items. And condition. Condition I am applying, that is starting with letter A. So under functions, go to the string functions. Here select starts with. So this function we are going to apply now. I'm going to extend this. It starts with item of dot name and starts with letter A. This is first condition. So filter 1 is ready. And come to the for each. Let me complete that first filter flow. For each. Come to the settings. Sequential and batch, there are two things. In the place of items, go for add dynamic content. For this output is coming from filter 1. Okay. But in the filter 1 output, you will get your required elements will be into the field called value. Dot value. This thing you have applied. But under activities, it should contain at least minimum one activity. The activity should be copy activity here. Under copy activity. So under for each, you are keeping your copy activity. Two things, source and sync. Source, give the input data set. Storage like 101. Come to the wildcard file path. Because The filtered output has multiple files. At each time, at each iteration, it has to take current file only. That file should be dynamically applied. That's why under source, after source, just click on this wildcard filter path. Add dynamic content. Come down, you will see for each one current item. Okay, it has given only item, but you don't want item. Within the item, two things are there, name and type. That's why dot. Understood? Now finally say okay. Now source is ready. Come to the sync. Under sync, you have created a data set for container X. Check for that. Where is that? This one, right? Container X. Sync is ready now. Now your complete level 1 of for each is ready. Okay. Come to the second. I'm coming to the second line, which is a second filter, filter 2. Under filter 2, under settings, items. This is also getting input from get metadata 1 output. The output dot child items. Got it? Items is configured condition. Add dynamic content. Their condition, the file should start with letter B. Please apply. Save. Already have a function here. Just to replace that with B. Okay. Sir, all of you, please hold on the line. Some emergency at home.